What's up guys, welcome to a brand new video from my YouTube channel. Your boy Bia is here, and in this video I will clean this cycle. Look at this, it is so dirty. Yeah, look here and everywhere. Look at this cycle is so dirty, and I have all of these accessories here and all of these accessories. I will clean this cycle in this video and I will show you. Before I start the video, just subscribe the channel and like this video guys. Welcome back guys. So first let me show you quick which accessories do I have. So I have these chain cleaning, some brushes, and here we have the wheel brush, here we have a gloves, and here I have the tissue and a lot of tissue. Yeah, and in this bag I have also some accessories in this bag too. Let's go and start cleaning my cycle.
Get ready.
So guys, first of all I have to use this wet tissue, and then I will use this, and after that I will use brushes and everything. Okay, so let's start. So guys, look at the motor, yeah, and it's so dirty. Look, let's clean this. Look at this now, it's clean. Now let's go and clean this wheel. Look at this, it's dirty too. Let's clean this now. So guys, everything is so hard now. I have to use this now. Without this, it's so hard to clean, you know. So let me put this and clean it. And it's so easy to clean with this, you know. Look at just this, eh? Look at this. I just need to do like that. Look at this guys. It's so dirty, yeah. Now I have to clean this front wheel. And this is done too. Look at this. Guys, now it's time to clean this chain. Look at this, it's so dirty, yeah. The chain is so dirty. And this too, look at this, it's so dirty, yeah. I have to clean it. Guys, to clean this, I need these accessories, this one and this one, yeah. So let's start. It is so dirty guys, look at this. Guys, now time to clean this chain. Yes, and how I clean it, let me show you. Like this, look at this, yeah. And it's clean now. Now it's time to clean this side, yeah. This is the brake side. And look, it's dirty, yeah. And I will clean with this. And look at this, it's dirty too now. But let's clean it. Look at this guys. Guys, I think the cycle is almost clean. Look at this, and other accessories are also dirty. Now I need to clean chain a bit more, you know, with another accessory. And then I have to put air in the wheel. Then we are finished. Let's go and clean the chain. With this, I have to put this chain like this and then close it. Look at this, it's done now, yeah. Let me do. So guys, look at this oil. I have this oil for chain. It's open right now, and let's use it. Yes guys, the oil is done too. Now I have to pump this cycle. This is the pump that I have. So let's do it. Now the front wheel. Finish guys.
Yeah, boy.
Let me give you a quick view, yeah?
Get ready.
So look at this. Before it was so dirty. And look at this now, it's so clean, yeah? Wow. This is my cycle.
Are you surprised?
Guys, I hope you guys like this video. And tell me in the comment section what should I do in next video, yeah? Bye.